Alright guys, I gotta get this gear off this thing so I can pull the crank. But there's two little tappings on this thing, and it's a kind of a weird size. It's 1032. So I went to Home Depot and I got a couple of these 1032 by 1.5 inches. Got screws on there. I'll have one for this side. And I got some 3/8 rod couplings, and that fits right on there nicely. So what I got to do is weld a washer on the end of these. Weld a washer on the end of these. Then I can stick this inside. Right, if there's a washer on the end of that, then I'll have I could put a regular puller on here with some 3/8 bolts and pull this out, and I'll have these. So I got to get a washer. See, that fits in there nicely. This motor blew a rod, and there was flipping parts everywhere. So I just gotta find some washers and weld them on the end of that with my welder, and then now I can slide that right inside there with a long Allen screw, tighten it up. It's gonna be a little homemade puller. Could probably weld a nut on there too if I wanted to. That'd be even stronger. Flipping nut, right? That's gonna be stronger, the nut, because I could really weld a nut instead of a washer. That's not gonna fall out of there. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get some nuts. We'll weld a couple of nuts on there, like that, and that's a lot stronger than a washer. Don't want to be a dum-dum, right? Don't be a flipping dum-dum. Use your brain. You got half a flipping brain, use it. And get a couple of. That's perfect. Right, I just have to weld them on the end of that, tack them on the end of that with my welder, one on each one, and we're good to go. Yeehaw! I'm flipping rocket science, mama. It's all crusty in there. They do make some shit that I don't... paste that you could put in there. It ain't rocket science, mama. Yes, this is the gas shield. I like the idea of the nut better than the washer. That ain't coming off. That ain't coming off. That ain't coming off of there. Alright, so I got the pieces on there. And I'll show you. I thought I was recording, but I guess I wasn't. So this is 1032. Goes right in there. Goes in there nice and tight. Then there's a nut welded on the end so it can't pull through. Put that on there like that, and I'll be able to get my my steering wheel puller on there. I'll show you what I'm going to use for that. And I'll be able to reuse these, you know, in the future. They call a homemade puller.
Oh!